Hey, 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 here we are with the Wedding Album Wednesday. So these are just some pictures that I wanted to scrapbook. I wanted in the book, but didn't think they needed one page, I guess. I don't know. I kind of like that outside one. I do. Anyway, I'm going to map both of these pictures in that glittery gold cardstock. The main page is going to be the pink that I showed you a few seconds ago, and then the acetate piece I'm going to put over it. Excuse me. But yeah, so I believe 4 more pages and we are completed. Super excited about that. And in April we'll have our 7-year anniversary. So better late than never. Am I right? Hold on, 7 years? Yeah, 2019. And I don't know. I don't mat the pictures a whole lot because I felt like the background had a lot going on with the swirly, and then the pink actually has a pattern on it. I'm not sure if you could see it, but it's kind of a smaller pattern. Ow, sorry. I trimmed this one, obviously a little crooked, but then again, that's just what I do. And I'm pretty sure I cut you out for adhering all of this down somewhat. But this acetate piece here, all I do to adhere it down is, and you've probably seen this before, is nothing out of this world or anything. I just put my pictures down on it, and then I put my tape behind the picture so that you don't see it. And I'm sorry, I know that glare is going to be there this entire process. There wasn't much I could do about it considering it was acetate. And I guess the people use the, what are those things? Like studio lights? But you guys have seen my little area that I work with, and studio lights are not going to fit in this little tiny area I got over here. So I do get some of these humongous letters used. So stinking happy about that, because these were actually a free gift in some order I made. I think it was from scrapbook.com probably a year ago at this point, and I've just kind of had them, and I never thought in a million years I'd use them in my wedding album, but I do put a small little scallop border underneath the I love today, and I thought I cut this part out, but I guess not. Excuse me. It has been super rainy and cloudy here today, so I'm totally ready for bed. And I'd finagle with it for a few minutes because I've already stuck the pictures down at this point, and there's really no going back once you stick that real sticky tear tape onto acetate. There was no going back, so I also, well, you'll see in a minute what I do with the border. I end up not liking the border I originally put down, and so I rip it back up and I do something different, which I think's kind of cool. I think it was kind of cool. And I try putting this love glitter border thing down, and yeah, it wound up in the trash because it just wasn't working. It kept wanting to go crooked, and so I said, you know what? If something's causing me this much anguish, it needs to go in the trash. You see where it kind of like stretches out when you're moving it around and stuff, so. Yep. So I throw that away and I put this other border on, okay? And it says wedding day down at the bottom, and it just doesn't go. That's all there is to it. Don't freak out too much. I take it back up. It's, I don't know what I was like, yeah, that works. No, it doesn't. Even a tiny bit. And then the top one got wrinkled, and anyway. I do sprinkle the old regulars. Some stars, a few enamel dots, and I think I used some of those gray, the gray, like pearl dot things. And I don't know, the words on the screen, you can't see them real well, but I think in person you can see them way better. It's weird how things like that don't come through on the screen in a video, you know? Anyway, so I threw some word stickers down there, and that's where I got my idea for my border. Once I rip up this hideous one. And then I use just the stuff that I sprinkle to space the words out that I put around the border. And that's pretty much it. I even bring you down and I'm like, hey, we're done, but we're not. Yeah, there we go. So I thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day, and we will catch you next time. Bye-bye.